Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, June 21st, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. As you can see, there are two very important data releases over the whole day. We got the CPI data from the United Kingdom, which are expected to decrease from 0.7% to 0.5%. And then at 4 o'clock p.m. during the New York session, we got the Fed share of the Jerome Powell to testify. All right, so those are the two very important data releases. Let's find out what's going on the charts, and we are going to take a look at the British pound first. British pound versus the US dollar for our chart is showing us a rather deep pullback from the extremely overbought market conditions. 79 points was hit on the RSI on 4-hour chart. This level on the RSI corresponds with the level of 1.2847, and as you can see, since this level we have a very nice decline in three ways: A, B, and C, which means is clearly corrective. This decline has hit the level of 1.2712, and this is the intraday low and the support for the technical support for the bulls. The other technical support is very close to this level. 1.2698 is a clearly technical level. The other technical level is located roughly around the level of 1.2626. So free wave pullback has been done in terms of the percentage. This let's say this pullback is roughly around the, let's take a look, to be honest, 1%. Yes, 1% correction, ABC to the downside. Now the situation is quite different on the RSI. We hit the level of 50, and then as you can see we are bouncing higher, and the price is moving towards the 50 periods moving average, 1.2801. We hit the this moving average. Any breakout above this moving average would be considered bullish, and maybe even the last swing high, 1.2847, might be tested again, or broken, or even broken. So please keep an eye on the current market, on the current price developing on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, a very nice test of the level of the 50, very nice bounce. It looks like this ABC correction to the downside might have been completed, and we are about to break higher, because the strong trend continues on the British pound. As you can see, we are keep making higher highs and higher lows, so there is nothing new for this market to do this kind of a ABC correction and then continue the movement to the upside. So that's the British pound to the American dollar. Let's find out what is doing the market of gold. The gold market, as you can see, we analyzed it yesterday on the higher time frames, but on the lower time frames, as you can see, it is heading lower as expected. There is a local low at 1,929, and there is of course the swing low. The swing low is located a little bit lower, 1,924, so it's only 5 pips away. How important is this low? As you can see, it's pretty important, because last time we've seen price on this level was middle of the March 2023. So maybe, just maybe, we will hit the quarterly low, and then maybe we'll break below the quarterly low on the gold market. So this is the technical support, local low. This is the technical support. Where is the other level that is very important for bulls? I guess this level of 1,947 is the level of the technical resistance, and might be very important for bulls, because only breakout above this level would change the situation a little bit better for bulls, of course, and they might even have a chance to rally a little bit higher towards the higher levels of the zone of the range somewhere around 1969. So this is the situation of the gold. Lower levels are expected, but there is no significant breakout to the upside. So far, bears are under the pressure. That's the gold market. Let's take a look at the crude oil. Of course, we analyzed the crude oil yesterday on a higher time frame. Let's take a look at the lower time frame. What do we have here? Definitely there is a level that makes this market a little uncomfortable. $72 per barrel. Market tried to break above this level, but still no avail. Local low made at 69.55, so like a $2.50 lower. Momentum remains positive during this all of the attempts, but we just bounced above the 14.8 points. So to be honest, this is not like the strongest momentum possible during this kind of a market movement. We are still inside of the trading range. Let me just reiterate this situation. This is the technical support, very important technical support, and of course this level here is the technical resistance. So as long as we trade between those two levels, we are locked inside of the range 67-75 roughly. That's the range on the crude oil. Not much going on right now, waiting for the internal breakouts in order to confirm any kind of a better movement. And last but not least, the Bitcoin is rallying. Rally has been quite strong. Please take a look on this percentage. Here it was over 17% from the low of 24,753. It's just like we expected here during our analysis, because the Bitcoin is being analyzed every single day, basically, roughly at least 4 days out of 5 in a week. So as I said, this is very strong rally. Breakout above the last technical resistance 28,446 is has been done already. And nevertheless, of course, during this kind of a movement, 17% from the extremely oversold market conditions towards the extremely overbought market conditions, well, this kind of movement begs for some sort of the pullback. So most likely the market will test the technical support sooner or later, and then of course we need to wait for another for the market reaction basically on this test. There's other technical support that might be interesting for the market participants, 27,452 and of course the moving averages 50 and 100 are present on the chart as well. So this is the situation on the Bitcoin. It looks like we are rebounding. We are trying to do something finally with this recent downtrend. Nevertheless, please don't make any mistake. This rally looks strong, but it's still not the situation that would confirm the long-term let's say movement to the upside. We have this as another, let's say, line on the chart. We have this we have this trend line here. Let me just the blue one. Let me change it to my usual color and make it thicker. There you go. As from the highs of this year, 38,860, right? We got very nice trend line. This trend line has been violated, so the breakout is valid. However, we need to go higher. We need to continue the movement higher. We cannot lose this momentum on the Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the daily to see the RSI. As you can see, there is still room to the upside. Okay, there's still room to the upside. We can still move higher. We can still rally. Plenty of green candles here. Plenty of the momentum has from the, of course, from the bullish side. We got the technical resistance here, and we got another technical resistance which is located at 31,044. That's the actual high from the 14th of the April. So bullish breakout, we continue to the upside, still room on the RSI, still the daily candle has not been closed, so please keep an eye on the situation on the Bitcoin. It looks like bulls want to go higher. The next target is of course located here, and that would be over 21% rally if we ever get there. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.